Hi, today we're going to be talking about how BL.INK is different. A lot of times when we're talking to customers and prospects, they'll ask us, how is BL.INK different from our competitors? And to be honest, the answer is different for everyone. But today I wanted to share with you what people tell us. So one of the first things, BL.INK is very flexible. A lot of times we're here that BL.INK can do more than some of our competitors, and often at a better price. The platform itself is very malleable, very flexible, and there's a lot of things you can do that honestly, a lot of times people didn't realize were possible. Today I'm going to walk through a few of the different features and functionalities. And again, you might see some of these in other places, but these are some of the things that people really like about BL.INK and how it really works well for them. So let's dig into the platform a little bit today. So when you first log into the platform, you'll see here's our analytics. We do store all the analytics, so there's no, we've had some customers that have clicks that go back 10, 11, 12 years. We never delete a click, so you can always come back and you can do a search on any time frame and update that quickly and easily. You'll see everything updates in real time. So you can go back and run analytics on reports from several years ago or last week. So once you're looking at a particular link, so let's dig into one of these here. So if I were to look at this particular link, everything inside the platform is editable. So anytime you create a link, everything itself is never permanent. You can always come in and make a change to it, whether that's changing the destination. If you wanted to change the long URL, if you wanted to change the owner, I can push this into somebody else's account. I can choose to tag this link. I want to assign a tag to that. I can get notified when somebody clicks on that link. These are some things that you won't find anywhere else, where somebody can actually get an email notification when somebody clicks on that link. Now we're only going to send you the first 10 emails for the first 10 clicks. We want to send 1,000 emails to get 1,000 clicks. But it's great when you're doing those links that sometimes you're creating them and you're putting them out there and you don't know when they're going to get clicked on. Or if you're sending a link to a certain individual, you want to know when it gets clicked on. So you will get an email as soon as they click on that link. We also support both 307 and 301 redirects. So to our knowledge, nobody else supports the 307 redirect, and there's certain reasons why you want to do that. We've got a great help desk article that talks to that in more detail, but being able to choose those options, be a 301 or a 307, is really flexible and very powerful for some of our customers. We also have what we call date actions. So being able to create a link that can automatically archive or delete on a date in the future. So this is great if you create a link, let's say the link is only valid for 15 minutes. So you can set that timestamp and that link will automatically purge itself in 15 minutes. So if you do a password reset with us, you'll see that we shorten our links and that link itself will automatically purge in 15 minutes. This is great for SMS campaigns when somebody is wanting to create a link for an SMS campaign that's only going to be valid for a day, a week, a month. There's no reason to have those links that are out there long term. So you can automatically delete that through this. And you can, again, do this through the browser as well as through the API. You can also make these links private, which means that somebody has to log into BL.INK first before they can get redirected. So we use this internally if we have links to certain documents that are internal only documents, just to make sure that they're, even if somebody were to guess what that is or see it in a document somewhere, they can't access that redirect and know where it goes unless they're logged into their BL.INK account and have access to that. So private links are a great functionality around that. The ability to reset clicks, being able to zero things out. A lot of times you'll create a link, you'll set a few clicks, maybe share it a little bit, but then you want to zero that out before the campaign goes live. So the ability to go back and delete all the analytics and start fresh is one of the great options around BL.INK. We also have our URL builder. So being able to create links and specify these parameters automatically, again, whether you want to type them in or we have a management tool that allows you to choose from a drop-down, and you can manage all of this through your admin area here in the admin under the URL builder. We also support the ability to block IP addresses. So if you wanted to, say, omit your traffic from any of your click analytics, you can add that to the blocked IP. You can still click on the links, we just don't count it in terms of the analytics side. We also support audit logs, so every function inside the platform gets written to the audit log. This is fantastic for compliance. We have a broken link report, which will actually monitor every one of your links, and if one of those comes up broken, we'll automatically notify you. We keep a report on this, and that way you can make sure that your links are always going to where they're supposed to go. And when you're doing that, sometimes you have certain destinations, maybe you're linking to an intranet that we can't see, but the link is still valid. So we also allow you to exclude those destinations or domains so that we're not going to be monitoring those since we can't actually see them. And so we have a bunch of other admin modules that you can use, some great functionality around our enterprise platform, different modules that you can pick and choose from to create the perfect solution for you. So there's a lot of functionality in BL.INK that you'll only find with BL.INK, and we're very happy and proud to support that for you. And we're always looking at different ways to integrate and grow the platform based on your needs. And the last and most important, I think, and one of the things that we get great compliments on all the time is around our customer service and support, how we help our customers to understand what they use the platform, the best practices, as well as understanding their business and making sure that we're solving their problems for them quickly and efficiently. So we really do pride ourselves on taking good care of our customers, making sure that we get back to you quickly and effectively with everything that we do. So those are just a few of the things that people tell us as to why our platform is different and why they've chosen to choose BL.INK over some of the other options that are out there. So if you have any questions, drop us an email at help@bl.ink. Thank you.